Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll check out this fantastic product and we're gonna install it right here. It's the bumper protector and it looks really cool. It also has Outlander lettering, very easy to install, and it takes a little bit time, a little bit patience. Let's have a closer look a little bit at this product and then we'll proceed to install. So here it is. It's nice Outlander. The bumper protector goes on right here. So what we'll do is we'll proceed and we're going to install. It goes like this, just like our side moldings that I've done a lot of. It also has the Outlander lettering, so we got to remove first the lettering, then we'll remove this tape and we'll install it right here. So you know what, let's just get going and let's get it done. Okay, let's check it out. So this is how it comes out. So first what you want to do is you want to just measure it up where it's gonna sit on the bumper, and you kind of can measure it like here just to see. You can also use the masking tape if you want to be really precise. I'm kind of like, you know, looking at here. Okay, so because I've done a lot of these installs, I trust my eye, but if you're installing for the first time, just do masking tape, everything else. So I cleaned the bumper already. You want to clean it, degrease it. I use just a glass cleaner, clean it off, and that's how you can make sure that it's going to stick on nicely. So now what do we need to do? We flip this thing over like this, and two sides of it. So first we need to remove these letters. We always want to start with that. We remove the lettering because it's a lot easier first to remove the Outlander letters. It's identical to side moldings as well. And then once we have that, then we remove the big tape. And after remove the big tape, we'll install it on here. And this is where a lot of caution is needed because it's very sticky and it's unforgiving. So if you put it on crooked, you pretty much need to redo it with a fresh set of bumper protector plates. So, okay. Drum roll. We remove the big part. Also, one thing to note, on the other side you have this see-through tape that holds these letters in place. So don't remove this see-through tape before you finish the install. Only after it's done you can remove it. Okay, now it is a very important part because it's super sticky right now. And we want to put it exactly where we want it. I remember where my beginning point was, right here, and then it's right here. Okay, I have it exactly where I want to be. And now, slowly, we need to install it. Okay, so first we kind of tap on this side and this. Okay, there we go. Apply a little bit of pressure so it sticks, but nothing too much. We don't want to break the bumper either. Be gentle but firm. Okay, now we can remove this see-through tape. Same thing, gentle, take your time, never rush with any installs. Okay, now we have nice black bumper protector with Outlander lettering, and even if we close the tailgate, we will see it like this. So right now I want to show you a little bit up closer how it looks again, and we'll check out a little bit from the distance the visual impact of this bumper protector plate. And let's check it out a little bit up closer how it looks. We can see that this one is a special Outlander that we have, and this one is you know, with upgraded wheels, and it already has the side moldings and the vent visors. And now we finished it off with this new product I have on my MrMitsubishi.ca website, and it's the bumper protector with the chrome Outlander lettering. It's same lettering as we have here, same idea, looks really cool. And if you look at it a little bit from a distance, you can notice it right away. So it's a very good product. I like it a lot, and it was easy to install too, so it didn't take me all that time. But again, just you know, be patient. Don't rush with these things, and that's how it looks after it's done. So let it sit for a few days, and then you can go through the car washes and everything else. Looks Really, really cool. I like it. It's nice, thick. You can see it right here, and it's a really good quality product. So there we go. We just checked out how to install this bumper protector on the Outlander. Looks really cool. I like it. Thank you so much for checking it out. See you next time around.